What's up, everyone? It's Kelly France here with another episode of Try It Tuesday, and today I am going to be doing a 10-minute manicure. You know, since it is the first day of spring and since Color Street just launched their new spring collection, I was thinking I've never done a Try It Tuesday with these Color Street nails that I sell, so I wanted to do it today. And I'm gonna try to do it in less than 10 minutes, okay? So I have my little penguin timer. I'm setting the timer for 10 minutes. I'm gonna try to make it less than that. So the two sets that I'm doing are, this is from the spring line. It's called Party in the USA. I mean, look at that glitter. Also the name, who doesn't love that song? And the other set, I'm doing a combo, is called Himalayan Salt. It's like a blush pink that is everything. So comment below, tell me where you're watching from. Hi, Kim. So I'm gonna start since I turned on my timer. So it comes in like a little package like this. This is the new packaging that Color Street just launched. And you get an alcohol nail prep pad. You also get a nail file. How darling are these? Yay for Color Street, right, Tiffany? And then it comes with 16 different strips. So I'm gonna apply these. Hi, Katrina from Alaska. Oh, hey. So I'm gonna set some of this stuff aside. I already put the alcohol prep pad on my nails and I'm gonna go for it, okay, you guys? Because I wanna do this in less than 10 minutes. And usually I take my time and I do it like while I'm watching a movie or something. But today I'm gonna do it fast. And also notice it comes with with toenail strips. So I usually do my toenails and my fingernails with one set. And by the way, this set is like only $11. So, but today we're just gonna bust out a mani, all right? Thank you, Katrina. Hi, Lisa from Kansas City. Okay, so I'm probably going to do the glitter for my thumbnail. What you do is you peel off the clear, you peel off the base, and you pop off the tab. Guys, I'm like shaking. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I think it's because I feel pressure, plus, yeah, going live's kind of scary. Let's be honest here. Okay, so I'm putting it on my thumbnail. I feel like there's so many people that don't know about Color Street and how freaking amazing they are. So that's why I decided to do a Try It Tuesday. So we got lots of people watching today. That's fun. If you guys just join me, I'm trying to do a 10-minute mani. Okay, so do you see how I did that? I like to fold mine over and kind of stick it to the back of my nail. And then normally I file it off, but since we're in a hurry, I'm gonna pop it off. We're gonna do a quick mani. So you guys, I've done these in the airport, like on an airplane. I've done these, I've done them in my car. I've done them everywhere. So now, so I like to I kind of like things to alternate. So I'm gonna do glitter every other nail. So we're gonna do a pinky nail with glitter. I know the timer makes me nervous too, you guys. It's like ticking away. Here's a glitter on my pinky, and you guys, I'm wearing acrylics actually. So you can put these over acrylics. They also work on short nails. I've done both. They're magic. My daughter, you guys, you know that the spring line is amazing because when your teenage daughter, who is so critical of everything, says, oh, these are good. This spring collection is good. So for real, it's good. And if you guys haven't tried them yet, you need to try them out. Seriously, they're starting at $11 on fancypantsnails.com. So Shannon says she has anxiety for me. I know, right? Okay, I just did my pinky. I got a less talking, more manicuring. Am I right? Okay, so now I'm doing a solid. I'm doing the Himalayan Salt. You don't always have to do a combination. I just think it's more fun. It's more fun to do a combo. So do you see how I'm doing it? I'm trying to kind of show you as I do it. So I put it on, I kind of put it on one side, put it on the other. You gotta like seal it down, fold it over the edge, Guys, how much time? Where am I at? So much pressure. Ah, okay. So there it is, fold it over the edge, and then I'm just gonna pop it off the top. Do you see how you can just pop it off? Again, I prefer to use my nail file because I feel like it works better that way. But for today, okay, so there's that. I need 2 more nails. Whew, whew. So much pressure. Have you guys ever tried these? If you haven't, you need to try some. I will give you, so since it's Try It Tuesday, I'm offering free samples of Color Street nails. All you have to do is go to tinyurl.com/Kels Nail Samples, K-E-L-S, nail samples. So boom, the glitters are so magic, you guys. I always get compliments when I wear glitters. Like, I joke that the solids are kind of the gateway drug. Like, that's why that's what I started with solids, because I love solids. I love me a basic solid, but then like you get addicted to all the different styles. They have nail art, they have glitter. Okay. I feel like I'm doing good. I feel like I'm at a good time. So now I'm gonna do one more solid and I'll be done with this with this side. Whew, I'm like sweating, guys. This is intense. Cheer me on. Give me some emojis to cheer me on. Yeah, Tiffany says I have 5 minutes. All right, we got this, guys. I did a race in my VIP group with my sister-in-law and I did it in 6 minutes. So it's totally doable, but do you see how you just put it on each side, fold it over, kind of pinch it and fold it over. Thank you, Rebecca, for including that link to get a free sample. That is super sweet of you. Rebecca's on my team and she's fabulous. All right, I just folded over the solids. The solids you kind of have to be a little more cautious with. They're not as forgiving as the glitter. So I'm actually gonna use the nail file. I'll show you. I like to go like this and file down, straight down. So I did it with the nail file just so you could see. So that's my solid. See that? All right, first hand is done. Oh my gosh, here we go. Whew. And normally, again, I will probably do my toes after this live video because I hate to waste a good pedicure too. But like I said, you can do a full manicure and a pedicure with just one set. So, or you can split it with a friend. So like my mom and my sister totally did their nails together with just one set. They're just as addicted as I am. They're fabulous customers of mine. All right, so I'm doing another glitter on my thumb. Do you see how I apply it? Just stick it on. I kind of pinch it in the middle and fold it over at the same time. Actually, no, I think I fold it over and then pinch the sides. Yeah, yep, I fold it over and pinch the sides. Fold it over, pinch the sides. Boom, I'm popping it down and it's done. Hoo-hoo-hoo, uh-oh. Is my beeper almost over? Ah, I think my beeper's done, but it didn't. This must be a cheap beeper because it didn't ring. That was kind of anticlimactic. But I'm almost done. We're pushing it out. Here we go. I got a pinky finger right here. Do you see? You kind of have to center it. And you guys, the cool thing about these is that the tops and the bottoms are different sizes. So you can do a top and a bottom. I mean, you can, adjust them according to your nail size. All right, so I'm folding it over to touch the back, pinching it, and I'm gonna pop it off since it's a glitter. Oh my goodness, three more, here we go. This is gonna be a solid since I'm alternating. And guys, I'll post a picture of these sometime this week so you can see how they turned out. I'm almost done. Thanks for hanging with me. You guys, which one is your favorite set from the new spring line? And if you guys haven't seen the new spring line, you need to go check it out at fancypantsnails.com, or you need to go watch my YouTube video where I'm in 80s clothes sharing my YouTube video on youtube.com/KellyFrance, where I posted, where I show some of the spring nails in 80s clothes. That's a fun, entertaining one. So, okay, just did another solid on my ring finger. I'm gonna file it down since solids are a little less forgiving. File it off, boom. I got 2 more, woo! Guys, we're so close, we're so close. I feel like it hasn't been 10 minutes. I feel like this penguin is a liar. What do you think? Also, I just want you guys to know that I blew dry my hair. Is that how you say it? Blow dried my hair today just for you guys. I seriously haven't blow dried my hair in like ages, in forever. I usually just let it air dry. Blew it dry today just for y'all, so you're welcome. Okay, that one's on. I won't give you the finger, but that one's on. Okay, final one. This is the final one. It's a pink solid Himalayan salt. You see how I peel off? There's a clear top. You peel it off. Then you peel it off the base. Then you pop that tab. And you know, the first time you do it, it's kind of tricky. Like it takes a minute, right? But after a while, you get faster. So here we go. Last one. Oh, I'm so close, you guys. Last one. So much pressure. Almost done, almost done. It's a solid. Those are harder. I told my boys they had to be quiet in the other room. They're being so good. Earlier they were like, they're supposed to be doing their homework right now. But they were like running around and like wrestling and stuff just a minute ago, so. Okay, boom, they are done. They are magic. Do you see this? I mean, come on. Do it yourself, nail strips. Pretty freaking amazing. So, like I said, check in the comments, tinyurl.com/KelsNailSamples if you want to try a free sample. And if you want to just buy some, you can get buy 3, get 1 free at fancypantsnails.com. So thanks you guys for watching. Whew, I did it. I am done sweating. These are seriously life-changing. So try one today. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next Tuesday. I've got some really fun Try It Tuesdays coming up, so get excited. Bye.